Namaste and happy Makar Shankranti. Today's video is about Makarasana. Makar means crocodile. Makarasana is one of the relaxing or restorative yoga postures in Hatha Yoga. It helps you to relax. After practicing a particular yogasana or simply when you want to just relax, you can practice Makarasana. It is done in a prone position, that is lying down on the stomach facing the ground. When you lie down on the floor with your muscles and joints completely loose and relaxed, it calms you down. Another benefit of Makarasana is that since you are lying down facing the ground and you're breathing in that position, it helps you to do prone breathing as well. So let me now show you how to do Makarasana. So I lie down like this and fold the arms below the head like this. So I fold the arms with elbows away from each other and keep the head to one side. If you notice, the heels are facing inward, not outward like this. So the heels have to face inward and the toes will face outward. So when you lie down like this, the inner thigh will be resting on the mat. So I lie down like this, keeping the legs away, heels inward, toes outward. The arms are folded below the head, elbows are wide, shoulders are flat, and eyes are closed. In this position, you can breathe naturally and relax. Now, when you do Makarasana like this on a particular day, the next day or the next time when you do Makarasana, keep your head to the other side like this, so that the neck positions are equalized. As I mentioned, the same Makarasana can be utilized for prone breathing as well. So if I practice deep breathing in this position, it helps you to do the prone breathing. So I lie down like this and take deep inhalation and exhalation. So if I do breathing deep like this, it helps to improve the capacity of the lungs and the homogeneous nature of breathing. So the same relaxing posture Makarasana can also be utilized for doing prone breathing as well. Let me recap the important points. Makarasana is a relaxing posture. It is done facing the ground, lying down on the stomach. The arms are kept folded below the head. Elbows are wide and shoulders are flat. The legs are kept away from each other. Heels are facing inward, toes are facing outward. It's a relaxed position, natural breathing. The muscles and joints are kept relaxed, eyes are closed. The same asana can be utilized for doing prone breathing as well. If you take a few deep breaths in that position, that helps you to do prone breathing and thereby improve the lung capacity. So the next time you want to relax and at the same time want to take a few breaths to improve your lung capacity, practice Makarasana. Namaste.